gonna make roasted Parmesan potatoes. I sliced some russet potatoes. They're about, oh, I don't know, what's that? About a 1/4 inch thickness. All right, and then I'm gonna add some salted melted butter. Oh my goodness. And now come the seasonings. So garlic powder, probably about 1/2 teaspoon, and onion powder, and smoked paprika. You guys excited about this fancy dinner that I'm pulling together?
Oh, yes.
Yes. Oh. Okay, and these are roasted Parmesan potatoes, so I'm gonna add Parmesan cheese. I might hold a little bit back. And then plenty of coarse sea salt and lots of pepper. Okay, and then these just have to get tossed together. Roasted potatoes. I'm gonna make a delicious steak recipe next. What a winning combination. I need to stop saying I mean, because I realized recently that's a very Southern thing to say. Don't you think? When people
You're
say,
a Southern
I
woman.
mean, I'm not Southern, but it's this part of the country. I have a godmother, sorry, Leela. I have a godmother that says I mean to everything. I mean. Okay, so look at the potatoes page. They're totally coated in bliss and wonder. So I'm gonna put them onto a greased baking sheet. And while I'm here, I'm gonna crank up this iron skillet, and you'll see why in a second. So the secret to this potato recipe is to get them all spread out into one single layer. So you don't wanna have any overlapping. And if you do, they will be ruined. No, they won't be ruined. Okay, so see Paige, they're all in a single layer, no overlapping.
Yes.
I think just for good measure, I'm gonna sprinkle on some more sea salt. You cannot have enough salt when it comes to potatoes like this. Whee! Okay, so let's go put these in the oven, Paige. I'm gonna roast the potatoes at 450 degrees for about 18 to 20 minutes until they're super crisp. I have high, high hopes.
Oh.
Woo-hoo-hoo, those look good. Okay, so I'm gonna get these onto a platter. I've got a clang, clang, clang. I have a selection of platters, and they are all noisy. I've never met a quiet platter in my life. Okay, get these on here. Look at all of this delicious Parmesan though. Oh. And you don't want to get these crisp like potato chips. If you want that, just buy a bag at the grocery store. These are like roasted and tender, and I would still be tempted to dip these in ketchup.
No, that's a crime.
Oh, we
That
have a
is a crime.
ketchup hater on the premises, I
Oh,
forgot.
it's ketchup.
Okay, I'm gonna grab some parsley and just pull off some leaves. I'm too lazy to even chop it. Delicious.
Beautiful.
Okay, the potatoes are done.